What's up guys, Ed Fred Easy here. Today on this beautiful Sunday, we'll be applying ceramic coating on my Dodge Challenger SRT wrap. Alright guys, so step one, we're going to be washing the car, get all the dirt off of it, nice and clean, squeaky clean. Then next step two will be drying the car, making sure it's dry so that the ceramic coating could adhere to the surface. We're gonna be blow drying the car, wiping it down with a towel, and then we're gonna let it sit and air dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then that should do it. Alright, now that it's dry, we're gonna go ahead and apply the ceramic coating. Get a microfiber towel, and we're gonna saturate it with 5 sprays, and then we're gonna apply it to the panels of the vehicle. Then after that, we're gonna wait about 2 to 3 minutes and let it adhere to the surface. Let it self-level for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna use a second dry microfiber towel and then level it off. And honestly, it looks good after that. Now, the true test is the test of time. I left one door panel unsealed without ceramic as a test measure. We're gonna check back in a week, and we're gonna check back in a couple weeks, and then we're gonna see how it holds up. After the application, one of the main things I saw firsthand is how slick it felt, just to the touch. It does feel slick, it feels clean. So far so good. There is a second application where you apply it wet, but today we'll be doing the dry method, which I believe in. Because applying it wet, I'm not too sure if it really adheres to the surface if you think about it, because you got water in the way. But anyways, that's for another episode. So this ceramic detailer by Owner's Pride Canada is an 8 to 12 month ceramic coating. It is a silicone dioxide product that will provide extreme gloss and hydrophobic properties. It'll minimize the amount of dirt that sticks on the paint, and it will make the cleaning of the vehicle extremely easy since nothing really sticks to the paint. Catch you guys later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit the ding-a-ling for notifications, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!